Okay, in this video we will see the next networking device, that is bridge. Okay, so this one is the bridge. Okay, the bridge is operates in both the physical and the data link layer. Okay, now previous video we have seen hub and repeaters which are act on the physical layer of the OSI model, but now this device is the bridge which act on the physical and data link layer of the OSI model. So as a physical layer device, it regenerates the signal it receives. Okay, it acts on a physical layer, so it regenerates the signal which it receives. And the next one is the data link layer. Now as a data link layer device, the bridge can check the physical and MAC address contained in the frames. Means now this device is act on a data link layer, so it will able to read the physical addresses which are contained in the data and transmit the data to the particular physical address. So simply bridge is the hardware device for linking two networks and which are worked as the data link layer and physical layers. Okay, so bridge creates a now this diagram represents the function of a bridge. Means this one is the segment 1 and segment 2, and both two segments are connected with the help of the bridge. So simply bridge is a hardware device for linking two networks. So this one is the one LAN network and this one is the another LAN network, and these two both LAN networks are connected using the bridge device. Okay. Now bridge. A bridge has a table used in filtering decision. Okay, bridge is simply maintain a table, that is function table, with machine address and the segment they belongs, and listen the data running through the segments. Okay, bridge के अंदर मेमोरी में एक टेबल मेंटेन करता है वो, जिसमें दो फील्ड होते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज द देयर मैक एड्रेस एंड सेकंड इज द पोर्ट through which they are connected to the bridge. Okay, so that table is called as the function table, which are used in the filtering decisions. Filtering decisions means वो data send करना है या नहीं send करना है, that is called as the filtering decision. So it can check the destination address of a frame and decide if the frame should be forwarded or dropped. Okay, so for frame to be forwarding, it specify the port, limit or filter traffic, keeps local traffic local, it allow connectivity to the other ports. Now this one is the diagram. Now this table is the function table which is maintained by the bridge. Okay, this table contains two fields, address of the devices and port to which it is connected. Now this one is the bridge, this one is port 1 and this one is port 2. So port 1, there are two computers are connected with address this 41 and 42. So 41 and 42 address, and these are connected to the port 1. Now second one is the 12 and 13. So 12 and 13 are connected to the port. The port number are the 2. Okay, so this type of table is maintained by the bridge, which is called as the function table or bridge tables. Now it's do the filterings on this based on these tables. Now suppose if these computers want to send to data to these computers. Okay, now when data transmitted, please check the function table for the segment and sending and receiving computers belongs to. If they belongs to the same segments, then bridge does nothing, otherwise it switch the data over the destination computer segments. Okay, suppose यहाँ पे कंप्यूटर को डेटा सेंड करना है, तो ब्रिज फर्स्ट ये डेटा सेंड करना है इस कंप्यूटर को एंड दिस वन कंप्यूटर को. ठीक है, तो अगर वो कंप्यूटर जहाँ पे डेटा रिसीव करता है ब्रिज, वो एड्रेस वहाँ पे उसको डेस्टिनेशन एंड सोर्स का एड्रेस रिसीव हो जाता है. अगर डेस्टिनेशन एंड सोर्स एड्रेस जो है सेम पोर्ट को बिलोंग्स करता है या सेम सेगमेंट को बिलोंग करता है, तो ब्रिज डज नथिंग, वो कुछ भी फंक्शन जो है वो परफॉर्म नहीं करता है, क्योंकि सेगमेंट टू सेगमेंट डेटा ट्रांसमिट हो जाता है. एंड अगर सोर्स एंड डेस्टिनेशन अलग अलग सेगमेंट से बिलोंग करते हैं तो वो ब्रिज जो है डेटा जो है वो ट्रांसमिट करता है फ्रॉम वन सेगमेंट टू अदर सेगमेंट्स. ओके. Okay, this one is the function of the bridge. Now suppose a computer want to send to data to directly transmitted to the A to D. Here bridge cannot do anything, but if A want to send data to G, then first A transmit the data to bridge and then bridge transmit that particular data to G computers on the basis of their MAC address. Okay. Then characteristic of bridge. Okay, there are four characteristics. First one is the routing table. Okay, we have seen that tables which is maintained by the bridge, which containing two parts, address and the ports. Okay, so contain one entry per station of the network. It used to determine the network of destination. Okay, the second function is the filtering. Packets are filtered with respect to their destination and multicast address. Okay, so it is the data, it is act on the data link layer, so it is able to read their MAC address, and with the help of that MAC address they can filter the data with respect to their destination and at multicast address. Okay, मीन्स अगर उसको पता होता है कि कौन से एड्रेस पे हमको डेटा सेंड करना है तो वो सिर्फ वो पर्टिकुलर एड्रेस पे ही डेटा सेंड करता है और अदर एड्रेस पे डेटा सेंड नहीं करता है. तो दैट वन इज द फिल्टरिंग. देन थर्ड वन इज द forwarding the data, the process of passing a packet from one network to another. Obviously it transmits the data from one segment to another segment. And fourth one is the learning algorithm, the process by which the bridge learn how to restation on the internet network. Okay, again इस पे एक learning algorithm होता है which defines the process by which bridge transmit the data from one network to other network. Okay, so these are the characteristic of bridge. Then next one is the types of bridge. There are two types of bridge. First one is the transparent bridge and second one is the source routing bridge. Okay, so transparent bridge is also called as the learning bridge. Builds its table of station address on its own as it performs its bridge functions. Okay, यहाँ पे build a table of MAC address as frame arrive. Ethernet networks use transparent bridge. Okay, the bridge is called transparent because its activity is transparent to the network's hosts. A transparent bridge is a bridge whose presence and operation is invisible to the host on the network. Okay, so transparent bridge only perform the function of blocking or forwarding the data based on the MAC address. So duties of transparent bridge is filtering frames, forwarding and blocking. So transparent bridge is learning bridge. It is called as transparent because its all activity is transparent to the host of the network. And the duties of transparent bridge is filtering frames, forwarding and blocking. The next type is the source routing bridge. This one is called as the source routing bridge because in this source decide the path through which data is transmitted. ओके, सपोज कंप्यूटर ए को डेटा सेंड करना है कंप्यूटर बी को, तो कंप्यूटर ए दैट मीन्स सोर्स ऑफ द डेटा डिसाइड करता है कि डेटा कौन से ब्रिज से जाएगा, कौन से पाथ वो फॉलो करेगा, एंड वो पाथ डिफाइन होने के बाद फिर जो डेटा है वो जो पाथ है वो फॉलो करता है. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स कॉल्ड एज द सोर्स राउटिंग bridge. Okay, source routing bridge is a bridge in which the path through which data is sent is already defined and followed defined path. Okay, so used in token ring network, frame contain not only source and destination address but also the bridge address. Means जो फ्रेम्स होती है उसमें सोर्स का और डेस्टिनेशन का एड्रेस डिफाइन ही होता है और ब्रिज का एड्रेस भी डिफाइन होता है कि थ्रू विच ब्रिज that particular data is transmitted over the network. Okay, that is why it is called as the source routing bridge. Now advantage and disadvantage of the bridge. So advantage of using a bridge is extend physical network. Okay, this one is the connecting device, that is it extend the physical network or physical area of the network. Then reduce network traffic with minor segmentation. जो नेटवर्क का ट्रैफिक है वो कम करता है. रिड्यूस collision of the data also reduce with the help of bridge and connect different architecture or different segment in the network. Then disadvantage is slower than repeater due to filtering. Repeater से slower है because it will do the filterings of the data because it's know the address. Then do not filter broadcast. अगर डेटा ब्रॉडकास्ट होता है तो उसको वो फिल्टर नहीं करता है. देन मोर एक्सपेंसिव दैन रिपीटर्स. रिपीटर से वो मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव होता है. ठीक है. These are the disadvantage using the bridges. Now difference between bridge and repeaters. ओके, सो रिपीटर्स क्या करता है, जो भी सिग्नल है उसको वो रीजनरेट करता है एंड ट्रांसमिट करता है. ब्रिज क्या करता है, सिग्नल को ट्रांसमिट तो करता है बट यहाँ पे वो फिल्टर भी करता है कि क्योंकि वो डेटा लिंक लेयर पे एक्ट होता है तो वो डेटा को उसका एड्रेस भी पढ़ सकता है और जिस डेस्टिनेशन पे उसको सेंड करना है उस डेस्टिनेशन पे वो सेंड करता है. ठीक है. सो रिपीटर एक्ट्स एज अ फिजिकल लेयर, ब्रिज एक्ट एज द डेटा लिंक लेयर. देन regenerate data at the signal level, regenerate data at the packet level, and then reduce network traffic. No, bridge reduce the network traffic. ओके, क्योंकि रिपीटर जो है वो सेम सेगमेंट को कनेक्ट करता है, दैट इज वाई जो ट्रैफिक है वो रिड्यूस नहीं होता है. ब्रिज जो है टू अलग अलग सेगमेंट को कनेक्ट करता है तो जो नेटवर्क ट्रैफिक है वो कम हो जाता है. ठीक है. So these are the difference between bridge and repeater. And this is all about the bridge networking device. Thank you.